If you have the need to get the current location of drawing notes, there's an easy way to do that with NitroCell. So we're going to use the note get drawing location. And by default, this will take the active drawing, but you could specify another drawing that's in session if you want to. And you would mainly do this like if within a batch process typically. But there is another way to kind of get this information. So if you do a table note get, this function actually will report out the drawing XY locations of note values in a Excel native table. So this is good for kind of one-off things or things that you're trying to do very specific checks on. This is more generic and useful. So we would encourage you to look at the table note get function if you can. But let's go ahead and take a look at this right now. So the note name that we're going to be looking for is paint note, and it expects to write to a target worksheet. So let's create a worksheet, and let's just drop it at B5. So when we run this, you'll notice that it has written out the XY location. If you look at the little tooltip here, the XY location of that particular note as it is right now. So if we come in here and move that to a different location and run this, you'll notice that it has changed the location of the drawing. It's relative to the lower left corner. Another nice thing about this is you could actually kind of split this automatically by using, I want B5 and B6. So this will actually write that data out to B5 and 6 and separate those values out, which is quite handy. Or you could say, something, I need this over at D5 for whatever reason. And I'm just gonna clear this out so that we have a fresh view of things without old data lingering around. And you can see here that it has written out the X and the Y where that is. So you can do this for multiple notes on multiple drawings. You just have to be able to kind of specify what you're looking for. And again, the table note variation, this table note get function is a little bit more useful for this, especially when you're dealing with a lot of notes that you need to understand. So we do encourage taking a closer look at this function also.